Welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Once again, welcome. What do we have for you today? Another lunch recipe. What do I call it? Skinny Greek pasta salad. And this is really on the light side. Now, if you have to go to work like me, I like to take lunch. I don't like to buy lunch because, you know, sometimes the choices are just not there. So I like to make my own. For I like to know what is in my food in way of oils or extra calories or basically anything. Now look at this dish. Absolutely awesome, absolutely filling, easy. Just pop it into the microwave and away you go. Now let's start by grabbing yourself a mixing bowl, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Not apple vinegar, but apple cider vinegar. And of course, for the salad, we need some oil. So let's add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, let's salt it up. I'm using just a little bit, and it would be kosher salt that I'm using. Now, when it comes to pepper, it increases your metabolism, so use as much as you want. Let's add 1 teaspoon of powdered garlic. And to give it that herby taste, if you want to call it, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. And now to give it that zing flavor and that really awesome out of the way flavor, half the juice of 1 lemon. If you want, you can add some more. Now let's work for your supper. I want you to beat it and beat it and beat it and get it a little bit frothy so everything intermixes. Now I have some pre-cooked rotoni, which is 100% wheat, or you can use gluten-free pasta. Now I'm adding about 6 to 8 ounces or half a package. Let's add now 1 medium cucumber, peeled or not peeled, that's up to you, and I have diced it. Add about half a cup of a red bell pepper. I have diced it. You can add more if you like. Take about 3/4 of a cup of cherries tomatoes, slice them down the middle, and add that to the mixture. Okay, we're getting there. Take your sauce mixture, and I want you to pour about half over the top. And now I would like you to start stirring, but I really want you to fold it more than a stir. Now take the rest of your sauce, pour that at the top, and fold it in once again. Now, to keep it in the Greek tradition, we're adding about what? 3/4 of a cup of cubed feta cheese. And to top it off, about half a cup of pitted halved black olives. And voila, here it is, ready to serve and ready to eat. So, all I can say now, for now, it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.